Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to find all the shared links on Discord for PC with the latest update. If you've ever struggled to go back and dig up links that were shared in a conversation, this is going to make things a lot easier for you. First, start by opening up your Discord app on your computer. Once it's loaded, head over to the specific chat or server channel where you want to search. Keep in mind that the search will only go through the messages in the space you're currently in, so make sure you're inside the right chat before moving forward. Now, look toward the top right corner of your Discord window. That's where the search bar is located. This is the main tool we'll be using to filter messages and pull up the exact type of content you want to see. The search bar allows you to find keywords, mentions, and most importantly, media-like links that have been shared in your conversations. All you need to do is type the phrase "has link" into the search bar. This is the key command in the new update that makes it so simple. As soon as you type that in, Discord will instantly bring up every single message in that chat that contains a link. It doesn't matter if the link was shared a few days ago or months back, as long as it's in the chat history, it will be listed right there in your search results. From here, you can scroll through and look for the exact media or web page you were trying to find. This saves you a lot of time compared to manually scrolling through endless messages. It's a clean and effective way to locate important content that might have gotten buried over time. So to recap, open Discord, pick the chat you want to search in, go to the top right search bar, type "has link," and all the shared links will appear at once. It's straightforward, quick, and a feature worth using anytime you need to pull up information fast. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to find all shared links in Discord with the PC app's new update.